Here's a card reader. It's from Lexar. It's for the USB 3 port. Lexar USB 3. Here's the USB port. You have to connect it to a computer. That's it there. It looks like this. We have the cards that are accepted. We have the model LRW025U. Never remove card when LED is blinking. So the LED is here on the left side and we cannot access it, it's covered against the dust. Okay, and to insert a memory card, let's say an SD card or a MicroSD, because we have one inside, we have to push these two buttons, this one and that one, together. So now it's closed, and if you push it, it's opened. Okay, and here's an SD card. It looks like this. And insert it with the text up into this portion. The type of memory card is mentioned here. So this is SDXC MMC. That's the MicroSD, and I'm not using the rest of them. So the SD is inserted in this way, and on the computer it appears something. There's the LED and there's the memory card. It was detected. So if that LED is flashing, then don't remove the memory card. Let's open a File Explorer window under Windows, and there's the memory card. You can access the contents of it. You can see it's a 64 GB memory card. Okay, and it's not flashing, so I can remove it and it will disappear from there also. Let's see that. I'm removing and it disappeared entirely. Okay, so it's USB 3, so it's higher speed than USB 2. It supports, I'm not sure, 50, 60, something like that megabytes of read speed through the USB 3 port. If your computer has USB 2, then it will be slower, but it's compatible. Okay, and when you're finished using it, just press it to cover it against dust. By the way, let's try the MicroSD. So we have a micro inside the adapter. Let's open a File Explorer window and insert the micro into there, and then it should appear on the screen. So insert it, LED should start flashing, and it's detected, and it's here. So the SD and the MicroSD, both of them can be used in this card reader. Make sure you remove the card, otherwise you cannot close it. It's not flashing, so I can remove it. Put it back there and close it. If you don't want to use it anymore, just remove it from the USB port. On the back side we have a different USB. So this looks like a micro USB and something more. So these are the plugs of this card reader. The bottom side is rubber, so if that part is slippery, it's rotating. The other one is not rotating. No drivers are needed, Windows is automatically recognizing it and using it.